This is the elevator at Century 21 in Westbury, New York. Service elevator's coming in there.
Walk outside, come on.
Schindler. Sorry. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, you ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah, Carl. There's a phone, ADA compliant. And that indicator just messed up. It's a Schindler, I believe. They didn't modernize it though. It was installed in 1999, I think, 2000 or something. Let's take another trip. It's a horrible door operator. And let's end the tour at 1. I don't know if I thought I made a technical door close on someone. Dark is a little bit dark cab, but something like that, but maintenance. Button goes out. $19.99 supposed to be right on the interlock date. Aero elevator. That's it.